Hi friends, welcome back to Riz English Channel. I'm Riz, and with me today is my amazing co-host and student, Zoe. Together, we help you speak English naturally and confidently every single day.
Hi, everyone. Hi, Riz. I'm excited about today's episode.
I'm excited too, Zoe. And friends listening, let me ask you something. Do you use the word very a lot? Like very good, very beautiful, very bad?
Oh, yes. I say very all the time. I say very nice, very cold, very hot. I use it in almost every sentence.
You're not alone, Zoe. Many English learners do that. But here's the secret. Native speakers don't use very that often. They use stronger, more interesting words instead.
Ooh, that sounds cool. So today we'll learn how to stop saying very all the time.
Exactly. Today's episode is called Stop Saying Very, Better Words to Sound Fluent. By the end of this lesson, you'll have new, powerful words that make you sound more natural and fluent.
I love that. Let's start.
All right, but before we begin, a quick reminder to our listeners. If you enjoy learning with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Riz English Channel. It helps us grow and keeps you learning every day.
Yes, please do. It really helps a lot.
Great. So let's begin with our first example, the phrase, very good.
Oh, I say that all the time.
I know, but instead of very good, say excellent.
Ah, excellent. That sounds much stronger.
Exactly. For example, instead of saying you did a very good job, say you did an excellent job.
Excellent job. That really sounds more natural.
Yes. Let's practice with our listeners. Everyone repeat after me. Excellent. One more time. Excellent.
Excellent.
Perfect. So remember, next time you want to say very good, say excellent.
Got it.
Okay, next one. Instead of very bad, say awful.
Awful. Ooh, I've heard that word before in movies.
Right. Awful means really bad. For example, the food was awful. Or the weather was awful.
So awful replaces very bad.
Exactly. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Awful.
Awful.
Great job.
That's an easy one.
Okay, now let's move to very beautiful.
Oh, that's a nice one. What can we say instead of very beautiful?
You can say gorgeous.
Gorgeous. Wow, that sounds elegant.
It does. For example, you look gorgeous today. Or the sunset is gorgeous.
I like that word, gorgeous. It sounds classy.
Exactly. And it's a favorite word among native speakers. Let's practice with our listeners. Repeat after me. Gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
Beautiful. Wait, no, I should say gorgeous.
Thank you.
All right, now let's move to very big.
That's a common one. What's the better word?
You can say huge.
Oh, yes, huge. That means really big.
Exactly. That house is huge. Or the elephant is huge.
Easy and powerful.
Yes. Let's repeat. Huge.
Huge.
Nice. Now, what if something is very small?
Maybe tiny?
Wow. Good job, Zoe.
Yay! I got it.
Yes, tiny means very small. For example, look at that tiny kitten.
Tiny kitten. That's cute.
Yes, it is. So remember, tiny instead of very small. Now, let's talk about very cold.
I say that all the time in winter.
Instead of very cold, say freezing.
Freezing. Oh, yes, that's common too.
Yes, it's freezing outside means it's very, very cold.
That's a good one. I'll start saying that.
Perfect. Now, very hot.
Let me guess. Boiling?
Haha, you're getting really good, Zoe.
Yay!
Yes, boiling means very hot. You can say, it's boiling today.
Or the soup is boiling.
Exactly. Great example. Okay, next one. Very happy.
Oh, I like that one. What can we say instead?
You can say thrilled.
Thrilled. That's new for me.
It means extremely happy. For example, I was thrilled to see my family. Or, she was thrilled with her exam results.
So, thrilled is stronger than very happy.
Yes, let's practice. Thrilled.
Thrilled.
Excellent.
I'll use that one next time I'm happy.
Perfect. Now, very sad.
What's a better word for that?
Depressed.
Oh, I've heard that one before.
Yes, but be careful. Depressed is a stronger word. It's not just sad for one moment. It's when someone feels sad for a longer time.
I see. So if I just feel sad for a short time, maybe I can say upset?
Exactly, Zoe. You're learning fast. Upset is better for short moments. Depressed is for deep sadness.
Got it.
Now let's move to very funny.
Haha, I think that's one of my favorites.
Instead of very funny, say hilarious.
Hilarious. I like how it sounds.
Yes, that movie was hilarious. Or, you're hilarious, Zoe.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's practice. Hilarious.
Hilarious.
Great job. Okay, next one. Very tired.
I feel that every Monday.
Me too. Instead of very tired, say exhausted.
Exhausted. That sounds serious.
Yes, it means extremely tired. For example, I'm exhausted after work.
That's perfect for me every evening.
Same here. Let's repeat. Exhausted.
Exhausted.
Well done. Now, very hungry.
Oh, I know this one. Starving.
Exactly. Great memory, Zoe.
I'm starving means I'm very hungry.
Yes. But don't worry, it's not always serious. It's just an expression.
I use it a lot.
Perfect. Now, very scared.
Maybe terrified?
Wow. You're on fire today, Zoe.
Thank you.
Yes, terrified means very scared. For example, she was terrified of spiders.
I'm terrified of snakes.
Same here. I hate snakes.
Good.
Okay, next one. Very dirty.
Maybe filthy?
Yes, excellent. Filthy means very dirty. These shoes are filthy.
That's easy to remember.
Good. Now, very clean.
Maybe spotless?
Wow, perfect again. Spotless means extremely clean. The kitchen is spotless.
That's fun to say. Spotless.
Yes, it's smooth. Okay, let's do a quick game. I'll say a very phrase, and you say the better word.
Let's do it.
Very good.
Excellent.
Very bad.
Awful.
Very big.
Huge.
Very small.
Tiny.
Very cold.
Freezing.
Very hot.
Boiling.
Very happy.
Thrilled.
Very funny.
Hilarious.
Very tired.
Exhausted.
Very hungry.
Starving.
Perfect. You got them all.
Yay! That was fun.
And to our listeners, how many did you get right? You can replay this part and test yourself again.
That's a great idea. Practice helps you remember.
Exactly. The more you repeat, the faster you'll start using these new words naturally.
I already feel more confident. These words make me sound more fluent.
That's the goal, Zoe. And friends listening, remember, learning new words is not about being perfect. It's about improving step by step.
I like that, step by step.
Yes. And next time you want to say very, stop for a second and think, is there a stronger word I can use?
Like instead of very beautiful, say gorgeous.
Exactly. Or instead of very happy, say thrilled.
It's fun to sound more natural.
It is. And soon you'll speak just like native speakers.
I can't wait for that.
You're already on your way.
Thank you, Teacher Riz.
You're welcome, Zoe. And to all our friends listening, thank you for spending time with us today. You're doing an excellent job learning English.
Yes, excellent job.
Keep practicing every day, even a few minutes. Try to use your new words when you talk to friends, family, or coworkers.
That's a great way to remember them.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Riz English Channel.
Yes, and comment your favorite new word from today's lesson.
Great idea! We'd love to know which one you liked most.
Mine was thrilled.
Mine was hilarious.
Perfect.
All right, friends, keep smiling, keep learning, and keep speaking English with confidence.
You can do it.
See you in the next episode.
See you later.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.